Yeah, man, Jamaican Farmers Hut. They say the thing, they see it.
Yes, my people, it's all about Jamaican Farmers Hut. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It's all about farming.
Yes, Aya, see it here. This is, this is, this is. You know what is this? Kale. Yeah, representing for the Jamaicans Farmers Hut. Okay, yeah, man. So this is what's going on. You know what I mean? Jamaican Farmers Hut. Yeah, yeah, man. Lots of rain. This is what we was planting today, but lots of rain. This is what's going on, man. You know what I mean? Yeah. Jamaicans Farmers Hut. Okay.
Jamaican Farmers Hut. Make sure you do that because this is the thing there.
Jamaican Farmers Hut. Respect their manners, family. Keep doing what you do. Like, share, subscribe. All over the world. Jamaican Farmers Hut. Keep it going, my youth.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Ready, we ready, and a gone, we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.
Yes, my viewers. Update on the rooftop pumpkin. Update. Yes, my viewers. Update on the rooftop pumpkin. Yeah, as you can see in the previous video, our leaves was up and green, but now we lose most of the leaves. Alright, yeah, it's all about pumpkin is getting ready. Yeah, this is not quite ready as yet. The barn leaf is still here. Alright, yeah, but I picked two up the top there. One was over there, one up top, yeah, and that one in the middle. Alright, yeah, my viewers, as you can see, yeah, seems like that one is ready. So yes, my viewers, it's all about an update on the rooftop pumpkin. Alright, pumpkin. It's all about pumpkin, my people. Pumpkin. Yeah, man, update on the rooftop pumpkin. Yeah. Seems like this one is ready, but not gonna pick it yet. Give it a little more time, you know what I mean? Yeah. Could go and burn in the sun a little more. Alright. Yes, my viewers, it's all about rooftop pumpkin, alright? Pumpkin is everywhere. Yeah. Pumpkin is everywhere. You know what I mean? Have a lovely banana sucker here. Yeah, can't make the sun burn it out, so put it in little dirt and keep water it. You know? Yeah, have a little wet substance. Alright, before plant it. Alright?